Space pirate. Oh, cool. Sorry, space pirate. My job is to scan. So that must be my energy? Do you mind, dude? How rude. I can't remember the button they said to lock onto him. Do I scan this thing or what? Oh, this scan thing is so irritating. But morphology, parasite, larva, harmless unless they encountered in large numbers.
Recording to logbook.
I got a book? Hold on, I'm not done scanning yet, bud. Specimen solitary holding 5 status. Empty? I don't even know what that means, dude. Get up! Get down. Get down with your bad self. What am I supposed to do in this game? Scan everything. Why am I here? What is the purpose of life? How rude. Well, that thing was broken, right? What? Oh, we gotta scan probably, right? Access to Deck Gamma approved. Please step onto the hologram. Deck Gamma. Whoa, we're moving. Okay. We're moving. Oh, jeez. Wow, why is this guy so strong? What is this? I wish it was just like a straight up scan button instead of flicking it all the time. Door lock enabled. Please insert metallic sphere to open the door. Metallic sphere. Metallica? Looks like a spectral shape would fit into this clamp. Energy now flows through a series of locking mechanisms on the door's surface. Morphology, space pirate, blah blah blah. So I have to put some. Oh, the ball. That's me. Now what? Ooh, I'm a key. Get out of the ball. I don't know how to shoot. I'm panicking. What? Well, that was unpleasant. Let's try that again. Ball. Open the door, and then I'll go in there and I'll jump out of my ball and smash your face. Let's go. Who wants some? You're lucky I don't know how to target. Whoa, these controls are horrid. Jump shot. Who else wants some? Man, I am not good at this game. So, flick up. Scan is Z. Oh, I feel like a pilot, and if I don't learn how to fly, we're all gonna die. Looks like a cockroach space pirate. Oh, he died by acid burns to the face. Sucks to be him. What else do I need to scan in here? It's just a dead guy, right? Open sesame. You want to save? Yes, please. Please. Game has been saved. Energy is fully replenished. I beat the game. Oh, we still got more to do. Why is this door not opening? Oh, you gotta you gotta walk into it. Is there anywhere else to go? That's it, eh? It's a save slash replenish spot. Guys, this must be painful, eh? If you're like a veteran, watching this guy suffer through all this. Oh, what is this? What is this? Door lock enabled. Please insert metallic sphere to. Oh yeah, the door. Where do I put the metallic sphere? Right here. Okay. Ball time. Risk my life just to save the game. Whoa! Felt the controller. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Samus. What is the purpose of life? I need to shave my beard. It's itching me right now. Uh-oh. We got the crab mad, or an alligator or something. Oh, that's that beast. It's the beast. We're fighting a cockroach. Parasite Queen. Bam! Ah! Way off. What? Tab B. Come on, Parasite Queen. Don't get mad. Whoa, I've only have 97 energy? Or she has 97? Holy cow, this thing is destroying me. Come on, Parasite Queen. What? What? I thought I had like 97 energy, or is that my energy? There's no way that was that easy. Classic Nintendo explosions, overemphasis of death.
Evacuate immediately.
Evacuate.
Evacuate immediately.
Get out of my suit.
Evacuate immediately.
Let's go, let's go. I can't move. I feel pressure. I feel pressure. So what does the orange mean? What? Gotta scan? Are you serious? You want me to scan at a time like this? Scan! Get me out of here, man. Got 6 minutes and then what? I don't know what's gonna happen. Killed the... Do I have to scan this too? Defense turret disabled. Well, thank goodness. Oh my gosh! What is happening? Where do I go? Where do I go? I hear a dinosaur or something. Do I go in here? I'm confused. Down. Did I just come from this way? Scan! I'm gonna die. I don't want to die. All right, here we go up. Bionic! Why is that guy so strong? Mere energy. Excuse me. I actually made it in here through jumping. Cool. Oh, the tension. I'm going the wrong way. Oh gosh, what is happening? Ah! Where do I go? Where do I go? Tension!